know, but it's just perfect for the way I feel. Hey everybody, BOOZHOO! Minnow Gigaje! Minnow Gigaje! Good morning! Minnow is good. Gigaje is morning. And welcome to OJIBWE Story Time. My name is Emily Aubrey. This is Michael Lyons. Hey everyone, how you doing?
Emily's got one crazy eye. She looks to the west and she looks to the sky. Don't ask her how she sees. Don't ask her what it means. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. You had no idea it could be asleep before it finally wakes. And we've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sakes. But time and time again I tell my holy friends I don't know what's at stake.
Yay! Oh, I got a big story I want to tell. Story you want to tell. You know that children's story that we talked about before and turned on the camera?
And Emily knows something about blow. Dizzy white snowflakes find their way right up her nose. Don't ask her how she feels. Don't ask her what is real. I can only say I've seen better days. This is my mistake. You have no idea it could be asleep before it finally wakes. And we've been here before, wrestling on the floor, pleading for God's sake. But time and time again I tell my lonely friends I don't know what's at stake.
Yeah, okay. Today's story is The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, back in the days of the grandfathers, there were these three little pigs. And, it was the other day at story time. Well, we do story time at the library. I was telling the story to a little, like, she was probably 4. Yeah. And I go, this little pig, you know and I go, do you know what straw is? She was a farm kid. She goes, yeah, it's straw, you drink. She goes, yeah, it's what you drink, when you get a chocolate milk. It's a straw. I went, yeah, okay. But once upon a time,
I don't know why I even tried. You wrote us off. I don't see how we got here now. I don't see how we got here now. Yeah, I don't see how we got here
a house made out of straws. So the big bad wolf, once again, a wolf, a talking wolf, came up to the talking pigs who can build homes out of plastic straws. And he knocks on their little plastic door, tap, tap, tap. And he says, "Hey, little pigs, let me in." And he doesn't even have to say it very loudly because it's just a straw house of straw. House of straws. And little pigs go, "Well, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. You can forget it. Go away now." And he goes, "Oh, really? Well, watch this. Well, I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'm going to blow this house right in." So he huffs and he puffs, and he blows the house in. So they run away and they build a new house. Now this house is out of sticks. It's an upgrade. Yep, it's an upgrade to sticks. First house of straw is we made like a bird's nest or something. Big Bad Wolf comes back, he knocks on the stick house and goes, "Hey, little pigs, let me in." And the pigs go, "Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." "Well, then I'll huff and I'll puff, and I'm going to blow this house right in." So he huffs and he puffs and he blows the house in. Finally, these pigs, they wise up. They build a house out of bricks. They built a brick, what house. Yep. And Wolf shows up, knocks on the brick house. "Hey, little pigs, let me in. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." "Well, I'm going to huff, I'm going to puff, I'm going to blow this house right in." And he huffs and he puffs, he blows, nothing happens. Yeah, and that's the story. The end. That's the stupidest story. That's how it ends. Yeah. And so he goes away or something. And the moral of the story, kids, build your house out of bricks. And I'm just so glad we had this time. This has been the story of the three. Why is that a popular... Why does that stay in the culture? What do you mean? Like generations. I'm sure my grandmother's grandmother probably heard the story of the three little pigs. It's about nothing. It's true. But there you have it, the three little pigs. To learn more about the three little pigs, visit your local library. Library. What'd I say? He said library. I hate that. Yeah, I know. Me too. These are two things I hate. People who say library and I seen when they mean I saw. You hate that? Yeah. "Oh, I seen so-and-so at the library." What? No, you didn't. You saw so-and-so at the library. I seen. Learn English. Anyway, this has been our podcast. I mean, what's the point? I don't know. I thought you were going to talk about something. Yeah, I kind of wanted to.